What up, Ashleyslips? Shockey right here. I just wanna say, and your videos are pretty funny. Actually, you kind of remind me of someone. Ashleyslips. Sino nga to? Oh yes, si Happy Slip. But you're both different. You're both talented. You got your own style, your own originality, and keep doing what you do. Sa mga haters dyan, huwag mong pansinin, you know. Don't let them get through your head. Sabihan mo like, go fuck a tree or hug a penguin or something. And by the way, naalala ko pala, whoever makes a video gets a fan sign as a prize. So, you owe me one, girl. I got my eyes on you. Nah, I'm playing though. But for real, be seductive. Like, Shockey, you hold that one like, Nah, but for real though, if you can hit me up, that would be great. I will use it as a fan, what you call this? Profile pic. Whoever's watching this, let me get this straight. I'm not gay since I watched her videos. No, it's not only intended for females, it's for everybody, alright? So, tangin na nyo! Nah, I'm playing. And yeah, girl, so Ashley Rivera, right? Yeah. Stay cool and stay fun. Peace.